sa ating mga strategic defense sites. Ang laking sampal nun sa goodwill ng Pilipinas sa Amerika. Kasi kinakalaban tayo when we only want peace and we only want cooperation. Unang pinatawan ni Donald Trump ang Pilipinas ng 17% tariff noong April 2025.
Kapag ka po nanatili ang ganitong klaseng polisiya, maaari pa rin din po tayo makakuha ng mga investors mula doon sa mga bansa na may pinapatawan ng malalaking tariff. So maaari silang pumunta sa Pilipinas, dito sila magsagawa, mag-manufacture, dahil 17% lamang ang pinapataw sa atin. So, pwedeng negative, positive.
Kung 17% lang ang tariff natin ng tilapia na fillet o kaya whole sa Amerika, tapos ang Vietnam, which is a major supplier at 46%, and Thailand at 34%, is a second major supplier, lamang tayo.
Meaning lahat ng in-export natin papuntang Amerika tulad ng banana ketchup, Bixby Porab, Oliver Rodrigo at Duterte will be 17% more expensive sa tinugrean niyang Liberation Day.
November 5th, 2024 will be Liberation Day in America.
I thought that was Liberation Day. But then I was like, oh wait, no, I'm sorry, he changed it.
For American citizens, January 20th, 2025 is Liberation Day.
I thought it was January 20th, 2025. That was Liberation Day. I thought I was already liberated. But then it turns out
We have Liberation Day, as you know, on April 2nd.
Of course, as we said earlier, pinost niya rin ito because he a dumbass at walang pumapansin and only served to isolate the US sa buong mundo. Kasi ikaw, kumbaga yung US na ang nagbebenepisyo sa free trade sa buong mundo without the tariffs. Tapos,